was nasty. Look at them cars, though. Look at them cars, baby. Let's go steal the yellow one. No, we don't want yellow. Yellow's too obvious, I think. Oh, probably put up to the traffic lights. God damn! Let's go! So I made an agreement when I actually left the house. Well, actually, no, I didn't actually. I take that back. What I'd said when I left the house was, sorry, babe, I know you're tired and I know you want to sleep, but please could you reverse the car so I don't have to, and I can just keep my helmet and gloves and shit on, so I can get the bike out. If you can get the bike in the first place without moving the car, then you can get the bike out. Oh, alright, you want to be like that then? You want to be like that? Let me wake up the whole neighbourhood while I warm up my bike on the drive. Well, actually in the garage. Sorry, I take that back, so there's an echo as well. Some people want to feel good. See ya! Psych! I don't know why we went this way. It's like the longest way. Sat-nav always tells me to go this way, but there is a shorter way. Down from Bakali, where I met my mate Sally. That music to my ears. Let's go! 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 Try to be respectful, but fuck it! Every man on that 50cc bed going wild! Ah! 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 Dickhead. Stop! Oh! What a time!